Now we need eggs. Hut, 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 hut. Sayonara, carbonara. Excellent. Let's mix it up for 2 minutes. Yummy. Dun, 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 dun. Need a spray with non-stick spray. Pour it up. Bake it for half an hour on 350. Meanwhile, we can make chocolate lollipops. Chocolate. Let's get our double boiler. Sticks. Chocolate. Wow. Hut, 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 hut. Wow. It's hot. Flip it. Oh. It is so cool. Bouncy. Let's make another half. Put it together. Round 2. We on to the second half. Let's get our chocolate lollipops. Oh goodness, it's broken half. I got half a football. It's okay. We got 3 more. Hut, 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 hut. Touchdown! Fresh off the oven. Woo! Cut it in half so it can stick together. We can save this for cake pop. Let's add some simple syrup, half part water, half part sugar. Buttercream. We need our fondant. Need half, roll it out right on top. Oh, nice. Cut half. Now we need the stitches. Cut. Brush. It looks like it has hair. I have simple syrup so it can stick onto the football. Get the stitches. I made a template. Super Bowl Sunday! Go long, go long, go long, go long. I got it. Oh. Touchdown!
JORI MEZUDA.